Another example of central angles and arc measure. Here I have a circle and it has some letters on the edges. This arc measure is labeled as 130 degrees. That's because an angle in here and an arc measure out here are both using the same units. So like this angle here is 130 degrees. This measure is 130. This one, this arc measure, is labeled as 120 degrees, which means this central angle is also 120. And I just want to point out that if these three angles all add up to a circle, which is 360 degrees, we can figure out what this missing angle is. And whatever it is, it's the same for the missing arc measure, because they all three would add up to 360 degrees. Now, I haven't even talked about what they're asking for on this problem. Let's go look. Here's the question. Let me read it to you. What this is asking is, what is the measure of arc EF? So go and locate arc EF. EF. There's only two letters, so it's the shortest distance from E to F. That's important because they could have asked you about this arc measure from E to F. But if they did, they have to use three letters to mean the longer arc, the major arc. Because they only have letters, they're asking for the shorter distance, the shorter arc from E to F. All right, all we need to do is take the total, 360 degrees. Let's subtract 130. Take this, subtract 120. And what remains must be the arc measure from here to here. And the reasoning, the logic behind that is, if I add these three together, I should get 360 degrees. So that's how I know this must be 110. They have to add up.